Baxter's gonna try it. We have to give that round to Baxter. Way to go, woohoo, Baxter! Yeah! Hey everybody, welcome to Burke Bunch Moments. Today we have received fidget spinners. Woohoo! We got them from backpocketspinners.com. We got a whole bunch of them. How many did we get, guys? 6 spinners. 6. All right, so we're gonna take a look at these and we've got some contests that we're gonna do. 5. Stay tuned to the end because we have a cool special offer for you and we're gonna be doing a draw for one of these fidget spinners. You can win a free fidget spinner so you can fidget a lot. What you got, Liam?
A white fidget spinner. Well, if you turn it, it feels weird.
Ooh, mesmerizing. Ooh, let's see it. Back pocket spinners. Okay, what's in there? Ooh.
Golden one.
Pure gold.
We're rich.
Okay, oh yeah, if only. First challenge, how long can you spin it? World Championship coming down now. You boys ready? Liam spinning another white one. And Yogi has got the fancy dancy, I don't even know what that thing is. Go. Ooh, Liam's got some good speed still.
Uh-oh.
And that one dropped down.
Yeah, Liam, you're not allowed to.
Down to 2.
No, I think that's one.
Oh no. Yep. Oh. Dad is great. His spinner won the race.
Next one is hockey.
Hockey. You got the net, Logan?
Yep.
Okay, we have a Lego net.
How to play hockey with fidget spinners is you try to spin it fast as you can and try to hit the other fidget spinner to get into the net and score.
All right, Liam's up. First shot, hockey. 3, 2, 1.
Face
go.
off.
Okay, puck's in play. Off the post. Okay, Yogi. Ooh. Okay, go. Ooh. Now it's time for the dad's turn. Here we go. Get the puck spinning. Goal! We have a goal. Okay, you ready? Here he goes. Oh, took out the post. And got this one spinning. No, Liam's leading. Yogi's got second because he got this one spinning. Now it's my turn. Show him how it's done. Oh! Oh! Yeah! Hockey works great. We're gonna now balance them on fingers, noses, other body parts. Okay, what are you gonna try first?
Finger.
Finger. Here he goes. Oh! Yeah, you did it! Wasn't really spinning, but it stayed there.
Oh no.
All right, which one are you using? Small one for small hands.
Oh, this one's gonna be so much easier.
Ooh! Ooh! Damn scales. Okay, and now the ultimate challenge, the nose. Okay, the dad's turn. You gonna use the white spinner? Okay, I meant this one.
Yeah, but I've been going longer.
All right, Yogi.
Skills.
You win that round. Ooh. Forehead skills. Before the final challenge, we're going to have the ultimate body part balancing challenge. Here we go. Baxter's going to try it. Ready? Okay. Up higher. Good job. We have to give that round to Baxter. Way to go, woohoo, Baxter! Yeah. Time for the final round. It's Yogi's Fidget Tower of Doom! Okay, towers of fidget spinners. Go ahead. Nice. Ooh, well done. Ooh. Nice. 2 more. Da, 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 da. Oh, that looks cool. Okay, 1 more try and then Yogi's up. Triple, quadruple, something, quintuple.
I'm gonna stack 6 of these.
6 spinners. Okay, let's see. It seems impossible. I had trouble. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 4. He's fast. 5. Ooh. Oh, look at that. One's even stopped. Last one.
Oh, that's count! That's count!
All right, that's it from Burke Bunch Moments. Fidget Spinners, backpocketspinners.com. We're giving away a free one of these white spinners. So if you leave a comment, we're going to draw a name for out of all the comments that we get in the next week, and we're going to send you your very own free pocket spinner. All right, so leave a comment, win a pocket spinner. Okay, now don't forget, if you're a viewer of Burke Bunch TV, you get a special 15% discount. Woo, 15% off your entire order. When you go to backpocketspinners.com, just type in Burke TV. I'll put the code there for you. And, type that in, you'll get your discount.
So you buy like 15, you get 15% off each one.
Sweet. All right, thanks very much, everybody. Stay tuned for more great Burke Bunch TV. And, check us out on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all under Burke Bunch TV. Till next time, keep spinning, Yogi. Keep spinning.